In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your hosting or website builder. Whether you're showcasing your latest project, sharing a tutorial, or simply wanting to inject some engaging content into your site, adding a video can be a great way to capture your audience's attention and keep them on your page longer. So, let's dive right in and make your website more dynamic. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and have accessed the hosting or website builder. Once you're on the builder dashboard, select the website you wish to add your video to. This will take you to the editor space where you can make all sorts of customizations to your website. Now, to add a video, you want to locate the specific section where you'd like the video to appear. It could be on your home page, on a specific blog post, or perhaps on a landing page dedicated to your latest product offering. Next, you'll need to find the Elements menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the hub where you can drag and drop various types of content onto your page, such as text boxes, images, and, of course, videos. When you click on the Elements menu, scroll through to find the video option. Once you've spotted it, simply drag the video icon over to the desired section of your page. You'll notice a placeholder appear, indicating where the video will be placed. Now comes the exciting part, adding your actual video content. Click on the video placeholder you've just added. A small menu will pop up, allowing you to add your video. You typically have a couple of ways to do this. You could either upload a video directly from your computer or embed a video from a video hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo. If you choose to upload a file, just select the file from your device and watch it upload to your site. If you're embedding a video, go to your chosen video on YouTube or Vimeo, copy the embed code, and paste it into the specified field in the builder. Once the video is in place, take a moment to adjust its size to better fit the design and flow of your site. You can easily do this by selecting the video and dragging its corners in or out. You don't want it to be too overwhelming, but it should be large enough to engage and be visible to your site visitors. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Navigate to the top right corner of your editor where you'll find the Save button. Saving regularly is crucial to ensure that all your hard work is not lost. After saving, hit the Publish button to see how your video looks live on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just enhanced your website with a video, adding both value and interest for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy building!